class. Who can explain about Surah Al-Baqarah ayat 182?
I think this verse explains about the importance of writing down a contract, particularly a contract about a debt and the responsibility to scrap it down. I think other than that, this verse also calls for the importance of witnesses in witnessing the transaction, so that if anything happens, there's at least a testimony from the witnesses. Lastly, I think this verse also stresses about materiality, in which every debt transaction should be recorded, no matter the amount. And this verse is the backbone, I think, the backbone of the principle of Islamic accounting.
I like your answer. So, who can tell me what are the principles of Islamic accounting found in this verse?
I know. I think documentation in transactions and fairness and justice.
Yeah, and other than that, we also have the importance of witnesses and also responsibility in recording the debts.
Excellent. So remember this today. One misunderstanding can easily destroy the trust.
Something is not right. Why? You have been staring at those talking for an hour. The financial records don't match.
What do you mean?
Some transactions have no supporting documents.
That's violate proper documentation in financial transaction.
Exactly. Without documents, there's no proof that the transaction ever happened.
Yeah, and without proof, the fraud can become easier to hide, right?
Yeah, and it also can affect transparency because nobody can clearly track where the money went.
Yeah, that's why accountability is important in the accounting system.
Guys, it gets worse.
Don't tell me.
Some debts are not even recorded.
So how much is missing?
Thousands.
But that is impossible. How could nobody notice it? Because the records were incomplete from the beginning.
This is why accountability matters in accounting.
Yeah, so Al-Baqarah 282 especially emphasizes in recording debts clearly and honestly.
When debts are recorded properly, disputes happen, business collapse. Right? Just like right now, this company.
Complete record also make financial statement unreliable.
Yeah, and unreliable information can affect our investor, creditor, auditor, and also our customer, right?
Yeah. This situation could have been avoided if a proper recording procedures were followed from the start.
Yes.
And now the auditors keep asking us questions. I'm about to lose my sanity.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You are in trouble.
It's the auditor.
We're doomed. Hello?
Hello there. We need supporting evidence for this transaction immediately. You promise to give me by today.
You see, we're still investigating.
Then investigate faster.
We're doomed.
Wait, what? Let me look into this. Alright? There's something regarding this transaction.
Oh my god.
Why? What's wrong? Why? Well, see, there is something, okay? But it's not recorded properly.
Oh my god.
You got to be kidding me, right?
No, of course not. Like, look at this. There's nothing. No dates, no transaction, not even any signatures. Like, some of the agreements are like just verbal,
That's terrible, guys.
Oh my god. This is exactly why we need to have a written contract.
With the contract protect all parties involved.
Yeah, they prevent misunderstanding and also provide evidence if this will happen.
Yeah, and they increase transparency and accountability in transactions.
Without proper contract, nobody knows what was agreed on and how much the company have to pay. So, or just
Yeah, true. But we're in this situation because people may, people may remember the details differently or even deny the agreement completely.
Yeah. That's why in the contract should clearly state the terms, responsibility, and conditions that agree by both parties, you know.
This entire company operates on trust without proper records.
And now everything is just falling apart. What are we? Pre-Islamic Arabia?
Yeah, probably.
Guys, there's another problem.
Oh my god, what now?
Many transaction has no witnesses.
Wait, seriously? Are you kidding me?
No third-party verifications.
No, that literally validates another important financial activity. The witnesses need to prevent disputes and false claims.
They should assure fairness and justice between both parties.
Without witness, people can deny their evidence. Or you just manipulate the information. Because there's no witness.
Yeah, because this is all as in what happened here. So I think witnesses also strengthen accountability because multiple people can confirm the transaction detail instead of relying only on one person confirming it, even without anyone to confirm it. So there might be fraud happen.
Yeah, the present helps create trust and credibility in financial dealings.
You know, every problem in this case happened because the basic financial ethics were ignored.
Yeah, no documentation, lack of transparency.
Yeah, and no proper debt recording. They destroyed the accountability.
And also without the absence of witnesses and writing contract, it will affect the faithful representation of the contract.
And yeah, I guess that's why Surah Al-Baqarah verse 280 is still relevant today, Because just imagine what would happen to the Islamic financial institution, business and customers without these ethics.
Yeah.
Like corruption, rampant,
Yeah, the people were treated unfairly because the detail of transaction could just be fabricated like that.
Because you don't know, maybe they might not understand people.
Probably. Alright guys, let's continue working.
Yeah.
I just finish this before tomorrow.
Okay.
This investigation taught us something important. Financial ethics are not just theories, guys.
They protect transparency, accountability, and justice in fairness in financial dealings.
Surah Al-Baqarah 282 teaches us to document transactions properly, record debts, honestly use witnesses, and maintain fairness in all financial dealings.
Without these ethics, trust can easily be destroyed.
Yeah, for proper documentation ensures that financial information remains reliable and can be verified whenever necessary.
It also helps prevent fraud, misunderstanding, or disputes between individuals or business.
Written contracts are important because they are clearly explain the responsibilities and agreement between parties.
Meanwhile, witnesses help strengthen accountability and reduce the possibility of false claims.
These principles are still relevant, guys, in modern accounting and auditing process for today.
Accountants and auditors, they are responsible for ensuring that financial records are correct, accurate, transparent, and honest.
If financial ethics are ignored, business may suffer losses, legal problems, and damage to their reputation.